So this video is for the worksheet 1-5, which is for the class Discovering Pre-Algebra. Okay, so if you would like to actually take this course, you can see it in the description, the link to outschool.com where you can sign up for this course. Now there are a lot of questions on this one, 18 to be exact. So if you're in my class, go ahead and pause your tape right now and try to and grade this. The one you can't see is that this 5 is the base, okay? So go ahead, pause it, and grade yours. All right, I'm going to assume that you have graded it. And like I said, that last one, the part of that is the base. Okay, so let me show you how I found these. So these are all perfect squares. You should memorize these. If you need flashcards, let me know, okay? And just like last week, we talked a little bit about what an exponent was. I think it usually is, by the time you do this worksheet, it would be the class before. All it is multiplying the base, the amount of times that the exponent says. So in this one, 2 5s are multiplied together. It's repetitive multiplication. That's all it is. 5 times 5 is 25. This tells me I have 2 2's multiplied together, which is 4. This tells me I have 2 9's. So that's all you're doing to get these answers. 1 times 1 is 1. 10 times 10 is 100. These are all multiplication facts that you should have memorized as well. And it's just as easy as that. 12 times 12 can be a little bit hard, okay? So let me show you a little trick with this one. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2, okay? Over 1, we got to get underneath the 1 before we multiply it through. 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 1 is 1. Look what happens. 4, these two added together are 4, 1. So the trick for anything above 10 in the teens, okay, once you hit the 20s, it's different, is you take it and you take the digit and you square the last digit, okay? So in this case, let me take 12. 12 squared. What is just 2 squared? Well, 2 squared is 4. Then what is 2 plus 2? Well, it's 4. And then you throw your 1 in front. This is just a mental math trick. You can multiply it, but if you want to do it quicker, that is the way you do it. And I'll do it when we get to the 11 too. And it works for 13 and 14 and 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. And when you hit the 20s, there's a different trick. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 7, 2 odds produce a really weird number, 49. It always looks weird to me. 8 times 8 is 64. And this one, it's 11 times 11, which I'm going to do this, and then I'll do the mental math trick. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Get lined up underneath this one. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So 1, 2, 1. All right, now the mental math trick is where I say, I just look at the last digit. 1 squared is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then I drop down the front digit. Okay, so it'd be 121. Very good. So when I say put something in expanded form, and I'm actually going to zoom in a little bit. I'm having trouble seeing it. When I say put something in expanded form, what I want you to do is write out the repetitive multiplication. So if this is 2 to the third power, it means I have 2 multiplied together 3 times. So 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. If I say 5 to the fourth power, I have 5 5's multiplied together, and that's the expanded form. And if I did this math, it would be 25 times 25, because 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 5 is 25, and eventually you're going to get 625. All right, 7 to the 7 squared is 7 multiplied twice, which is 49. 4 to the 5th power is 4 multiplied 5 times, which is 1,204. Very good. Multiplication is repetitive addition, just like exponential is repetitive multiplication. All right, label the parts of the exponent. Expression, it should say expression. Okay, and in this expression, this is the exponent and this is the base. All right, so keep doing it until you understand it. Contact me if you need more help, and I'll see you in the next video.